Hi, it's Madonna here from New Leaf Natural Therapies. My tip of the day for kinesiologists, for a start, I'm doing an in-house course soon coming up in April. So if you're keen to do an in-house course in Brisbane, check out our events page on New Leaf Natural Therapies. But my tip of the day is never assume you know the answer to something you're muscle testing. We're not lawyers. We don't need to know the answer before you ask something. And then be aware that if it's not what you think, it gives you a really nice opportunity to go hunting and to find the solution for that person. So you might have someone in, say, structural pain, and you're assuming it was because of say, a car accident they had. But it might end up being the pain was triggered by a divorce or by a financial issue or something like that. So you just want to really make sure to remember that we're all that combination of spiritual, emotional, biochemical human beings, and we don't know the answer to our muscle testing before we test it. If you do, I believe you're probably manifesting or changing the outcome of your muscle testing. I've sort of seen that over the years where I can feel when someone is manipulating a muscle test, and I really dislike it. As a kinesiology trainer, it's one of my pet hates. And if I see someone doing anything in my classes that doesn't feel right, or it feels like they're manipulating it, I'm on them. I'm just, yeah, I don't allow that to happen in my classes, and it doesn't make you a good kinesiologist. It's best to not know the outcome, and that way you're within your truth and integrity as a practitioner. So my tip for the day is we're all spiritual, emotional, mental, biochemical human beings. You don't know the answer to something before you ask it. That makes the best kinesiologist, and it makes the best sessions. Have a great day.